Today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to create a PowerPoint presentation using Microsoft PowerPoint. All right, let's get started. When you open Microsoft PowerPoint, navigate to the app and click it. Then, the first thing you'll see are the options for starting a presentation. Now, look at the options on the screen. You'll see Blank Presentation right here, along with several ready-made templates like Madison, Atlas, Gallery, Parcel, and Wood Type. For this tutorial, let's click on Blank Presentation and click Create button here. Once it opens, you'll see a plain white slide in the center. This is your first slide, also called the title slide. Notice the two text boxes. The first one says, click to add title. This is where you type the main topic of your presentation. Let's say, types of renewable energy. Just below, there's another box that says, click to add subtitle. Here, you can add extra details, like your name or the date. For example, presented by Mr. Matatag. And that's it. Then on the left side of the screen, you'll see the slide panel. This shows thumbnails of all your slides. Right now, there's only one because we're just starting. At the top, you'll find tabs like Home, Insert, Draw, Design, Transitions, Animations, and more. Each tab gives you tools to customize your presentation. And on the right side, you'll notice the Designer panel. This is a really helpful feature. It suggests different design ideas for your slide, like colorful backgrounds, modern layouts, or stylish fonts. If you click one of these suggestions, your slide instantly looks more polished. Now here's something important. If you click on the Design tab at the top and choose a new theme, the Designer panel will also change. It updates with fresh suggestions that match the theme you selected. So if you pick this theme, you'll see clean layouts. If you choose something colorful, you'll get brighter, more creative options. So for our example, let's try this one. And once that's done, let's add a new slide. Go to the Home tab at the top, then click on New Slide. You'll see different layout options appear. For now, let's just click New Slide.
Then, here in this new slide, in this title box right here, let's type examples of renewable energy.
And
In the content box, you can list items like solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal. Then, in the Designer panel, let's choose what fits good in our slide. Let's have this one. Then let's adjust the font of the word solar so it stands out and matches the picture.
and highlight the word solar, then click the font size here and change it to 54. The font size really depends on your preference. You can choose whatever size works best for you. Then duplicate a new slide by pressing Ctrl+D. For this slide, we'll resize the word solar to keep it consistent with the rest. Highlight it, click Font Size, and click 18. And increase the font size of wind to highlight it, just like this. And change the picture. So let's just click Insert tab on top and click Photos and click for Online Pictures. Then go to the search bar and type wind. Select this option, then click Insert. Adjust the image size so it matches the first picture, and repeat the same steps for the other examples of renewable energy. And that's it. We've successfully created a PowerPoint presentation together. You now know how to add a title slide, build content slides, adjust fonts and images to make your presentation more engaging. Thank you so much for following along with this tutorial. I hope it helps you feel more confident using Microsoft PowerPoint for your school projects, reports, or any presentation you need to make. If you found this helpful, don't forget to practice on your own and explore more of PowerPoint's features. And of course, thank you for watching. Your support means a lot. See you in the next tutorial.